Welcome to Scholars Tutorial. Let's solve a CubeNet question step by step. We are given a CubeNet with 6 symbols, a triangle 1, a triangle 2, circle, crescent, mug, and a windmill pattern. From the given net, we see that the triangle 2 is opposite the circle, the windmill pattern is opposite the mug, and the triangle 1 is opposite the crescent. In option B, the triangle 1, triangle 2 and mug patterns are correctly positioned. They appear on faces that touch each other exactly as they do when the cube is folded. In option A, placement and orientation of windmill pattern, circle and a crescent are not correct. In option C, the crescent and triangle 1 appears next to each other, which is not possible as they are on the opposite faces. In option D, the mug and windmill patterns appear next to each other, which is not possible as they are on opposite faces. In option E, the circle and the triangle 2 are opposite to each other, but in the CubeNet, they are shown as adjacent faces. So, the correct answer is option B. Keep practicing more such questions on Scholars Tutorial. Ace your academics with Shruti.ai. It's free.